we are moving to Ngorongoro Crater. It is entirely covered by the that rim. So there will be a shade. So invariably, you will get animals in the light and background in the dark. And that is a very conducive environment for shooting with negative compensation. As a rule of thumb, majority of 99% of our images must have negative compensation. Okay, so to start with, keep your minus 0.3 to minus 0.7 negative by default. Okay, by default. Second thing, there is a chance that you will go very close to the zebras, wildebeest and many other animals. Whenever there is a chance, there is a tendency for many of us, at least the beginners, that whenever the subject goes close to you, you shoot wide. Don't shoot wide. Shoot tele. Capture one eye of a zebra, face of a zebra. I have seen that yesterday nobody was shooting in a portrait mode. Shoot portrait mode. And then there is a water also. There are birds, there are multi-layer of thing. There are birds, there is water, then there is some animals, then there is a crater rim. Okay, so try to shoot all these things, some vertical images as well. Whenever you are shooting multiple layers, at least f8 or f11 should be by default your aperture. And then if you are comfortable shooting the panoramic, then shoot panoramic with your cell phone or with your camera. Today I will shoot some images in panorama, and today evening in the Ellen's Tree, that lodge, I will demonstrate how I stitch that. Stitching those panoramic images. Those people who are already aware of multiple exposures, please try that. Try that multiple exposure with different animals and different landscape. Then there is a huge herd of wildebeest which will be seen there in Ngorongoro. Try to shoot time-lapse video. In Ngorongoro as well as in Dutu, we may have the migration or this particular movement. That time you shoot time-lapse video. And if there is a huge group of animals standing still, go very slow on a shutter speed. Target on one animal, focus on one animal which is not moving or which is moving relatively less. Take slow shutter speed. What happens? That one subject, 1 by 5 seconds, 1 by 4 seconds, 1 by 3 seconds, 1 by 2 seconds. And whatever movements you are doing, do it very subtly. Because there are many birds in Ngorongoro. So whatever movements you are doing very subtly, because they will come very close to you. They will be coming very close to you. So these are the general instructions. Later on, as and when the things appear, I will be telling you more.